guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials of affordable and expensive makeup. I'll test it on my face, I'll pass the savings to you guys. In this video, we're testing this beautiful LA Girl main stage Desert Dream eyeshadow palette. A lot of my friends asked me if we picked it up, and I did pick it up in Ulta. It looks like this inside. So we're gonna be doing this cool tone look right up my alley. That's my forte, my favorite colors. So if you guys are interested to see how it performs, if it's worth your money, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and the notification bell so YouTube notifies you of every new video upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I also go live almost every Monday. So like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So let's get right into this video. So a couple of words before we get into the actual application. So first of all, I got this by my friend's recommendation. Teresa Mulfern was talking about it in our releases and rants video. It's her video, but I was there, I think I was there that episode. So Teresa is my wonderful Irish beautiful friend. She's got releases and rants videos every Saturday, sometimes Sunday, mostly Saturday. But anyway, I'm gonna link her channel up here. We're all friends in our group, and we'll record with each other. She has different guests. I'm often in there, and other girls too. So we were talking and discussing this as a new releases and rants, and me with my cat mama head. I have cat mama brains right now. I totally forgot to pick it up, and my friends were like, you need to buy it. So I did went ahead and I bought it in Ulta. It was $15.99, and I got it like with some kind of discount code. It was like $12.79. So there we have it. And they got 2 palettes like this. One was like more neutral, but neutral who? We don't know her, girl. I'm a parakeet, come on. So this is very, very pretty. It's like, this is right up my alley. I love purples, I love greens, and I love blues. Those are my favorite, and pinks, pink-ish. So those are like my favorite colors. So this all makes sense. I love the color story. You can make different looks. That's very cohesive. Everything completely and totally well thought together. And I think I like the number of shimmers to the mattes. I love that there is a black. I could go with a lighter color maybe, but you know, I'm just being picky. So you'll see the swatches running around here. I just put it in my arm on a primer base, on a concealer, so they pop a little better. And I did the video with my cell phone just here on my table. And yeah, there you have it. The swatches came out nice. As usual, when you prime your arm, it works like an eyelid, so I think it's more fair for the eyeshadow palettes to do swatches on primed arm, I think. So we're gonna do this look, and this is mainly, I was kind of contemplating between this color, which is like amazing, this blue shimmer. It's like liquid metal, and I went with chartreuse because, I mean, look, it's amazing. Because of my friend Teresa, everybody is influenced by Teresa, the green lover. And we all love green now. By the way, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Sometimes when I edit my videos, I see all the fallout and stuff on my black shirt. I'm like, holy cow, I have to cut myself short up to here. So you might see a lot of cat hair. I got my new cat. I adopted new kitty, and he's wonderful. He's beautiful. He's sleeping right now. I don't want to bother him. And he's white, like me. He's blonde. And he sheds on my black shirt. So when I film, I look at myself, I'm covered. So excuse my cat. He's the love of my life, and he's not going anywhere. So let's get into it. So starting with the purple. And it's pretty deep. I'm into purples. Of course, I have to go for it. And using the JS brush, I just grabbed some in the right size, and I like the size for outer corner. This is JS 12, so we'll see. I mean, I already did this eye, clearly, so we'll see how pigmented this is. Pop in the outer corner, as usual. I wanted to create my usual shade, but not too much out in the temples, because, you know, just break, you know, kind of mix it up a little bit. So halfway through, because I want to try the blue, and the blue looks so pretty. So I'm taking a fluffier brush, using the same purple but more lightly to blend it out. And this is the Spectrum B10. So this is great for blending out. The only thing is, like, you could probably use a pastels palette for this, for blending out the purple, because it's quite dark and there's no light purple shade here. So it's kind of like you want to make a choice what you're going to do with it. So I might go into the Beauty Bay pastels just to help the blend. I mean, you don't have to do it, but it helps if you go to a light purple, so you can really blend this one out. This is my latest purchase from Ulta, and this is Morphe 562. The real nice brush, very small, very fluffy. I'm gonna go for the blue. They have names, but I can't be bothered to read the names in the back of the palette. Look at this blue. Beautiful, beautiful. The fallout is there, but I mean, they all have fallout. Not a big deal. What I do like that there is a blended out color. The lighter blue. The purple is missing it somehow, but the blue does have it, so we can blend this real easy. I cut my crease. Oh, by the way, I've been using the Louise base, and the room is 0.5 for the base and for the cut crease. And I didn't want to show you because it's just time consuming. And I didn't want to clean up my lid. I went the lazy way right over the eyeshadow because I'm using green. And green on top of that is not going to show that much, you know. So we can get away with it. I'm using a flat Morphe brush. And of course, I had to go for the green. It was between this one and this one because the most shiny colors here are this and this. This is so good. So I'm going for the green, of course. For you, Teresa, my friend. My friend Teresa loves green, and we all do too. We, the group of friends. I think Teresa's been a big influence on us, our makeup group friends, or group of friends. So we all like green because of Teresa. Look at that green though, look at that green. That's a great shimmer. I don't think I have any LA Girl palettes. Yeah, so it's my first palette. I'm impressed. I really didn't know what to expect from their quality. So far, I'm really impressed. So we're still gonna deepen up the outer corner with black. That's the only thing. You'll see the black is not that black. It's very rare that the cheap palette will have, I mean cheap, it's not that cheap, but you know, one budget palette will have a good black. Sometimes you get lucky, but most of the times you don't. So, for the brow bone, I'm gonna use my small gesso brush, and that's just, what is it? That's 237. And I'm gonna go for the only light color. It's like pink, but it has a little gold reflect, I think, or something. It doesn't look that pink, so it'll work, believe me. Sometimes those kind of shades, they give you a little cast, but this one doesn't. It actually works really nicely. And my eyeballs have been sitting in my eyes forever. I mean my contacts. My eyes are so tired now. So, by the way, if you're wondering what I had in my waterline, I started with this because I kind of like to have, it's my latest thing, I like to have a waterline, a liner in my waterline before I start makeup, because it kind of helps to pull all the look together. I don't know, I just tried something new. So I used the green Gotcha, and this is LA Girl as well. How convenient. So it's like a perfect color match with the other eyeshadow, see? Green. And my eyes are red from contacts, just lovely. Green and red. I'm so goofy today. Anyway, so let's do the outer corner now. And my husband is texting me. He needs to shush, husband. Come on now. So now we're gonna do the black. And now you're gonna see how black is black. You know how you can tell the black? When you put the eyeliner over and you see that the eyeliner is actually blacker and you're like, oh, Such a disappointment. And there, I thought it was perfect black. And then I put eyeliner, I'm like, oh. So I'm kind of pooping on it, but I'm not. Well, you'll see. It's sort of black. But when I put eyeliner, you'll see a little bit. It's kind of like a very, very mild black. But you know, I think I know why they're doing it. Like I always say, black is hard to blend. So I think they do it on purpose. So we don't struggle. At least that's what I think. I think it's all about me. The brands are thinking about me. She needs help blending. I don't know what kind of mood I'm in. A shady mood. Alright, so I'm going back to purple. And we're gonna blend. And I'm telling you, it does blend really easy. And I think it is because it's not like very black. So for everyday palette, it's really easy, simple, pretty look. So now I'm gonna blend this into the green, and I'm gonna do a little blue and a little green, kind of to tie it up together. So I'm gonna take the brush, the small brush. This is the lavish brush, and my husband won't shut up. He needs to stop checking this. It's ridiculous. So now it's a lavish brush, ice shading. Usually I put my watch on sleep mode, but today I forgot, sorry. So you're gonna be hearing bing, bing, my husband's going crazy. So my husband is away, in case you wanna know. He's away on business trip. So he flies those rich people, the plane owners, the jet plane. So he flew away, well, when I'm filming it now it's Friday, so he flew away last Friday, right? And he said I'm gonna be back on Friday in a week. And I had a bad feeling it's not gonna happen. There he is again. So he says that, oh, now it's Sunday. And now I hope Sunday is not gonna turn into the next Friday, because what they do, they fly away, but they're too cheap to fly him back on the airliner. I'm so spoiled, I'm used to other people doing it. They used to fly him back, like with commercial airline, and then fly him back over there to pick them up. Well, now they're like, no, we're not spending the money. So he sits there in the hotel for like a week or more at this time. And I'm alone with my little kitty. I have a new cat, if you missed it. He's sleeping now, so I can't wake him up. He's so precious. So it's only me and my cat, and my husband is texting me when he's not supposed to. I'm just having a giggly moment. So I'm going for the light green. I forgot what I was doing. I'm just gonna do the low lash line, because I'm using the same brush right here for the upper eyelid. And of course the eyeshadow is going into my eyes, and they're gonna be even more red. First the contacts, now the eyeshadow. You're probably gonna be like, Elaina, why are you wearing contacts? Well, because I'm vain and I like color. So I'm gonna dip the same brush into the blue, and we're gonna blend this. Ooh. So that's the thing, it's very powdery, but you know, it's pigmented. So again, beautiful, beautiful, easy blend. So my first experience with LA Girl eyeshadow palette, really positive. I don't know what I was expecting, but you know, being a budget brand, I didn't know. So you see how pretty this is, the combination of green, green, blue, and purple is one of my favorites. I flipped the brush. I'm gonna use the lime green just to get it in here, so get a little better blend. I'll probably just go between colors a few more times, so we have perfection. So you see, black is kind of, you know, it's faded so much, it almost looks like purple, so it doesn't look black anymore. So that's the only gripe I have with this palette. The black is like really not that black. It looks extremely black here, but maybe if I applied it before purple, like on the bare skin, I mean on the prime skin, it would have been better, but that's what we have in here, and that's what we're getting. Like Peter Monn says, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. So this is the finished eye look. I put some eyelashes. I don't remember where I got them from. I think these are Alter Ego. They're a little bit bigger on the outside. I wanted to create more of a, like a pulled out look. so you can actually see the green. I don't want to put the lashes, it's too big. And I didn't want to put any jewels or anything special like glitter because I really want this eyeshadow to stand out because it's pretty phenomenal. This lime green eyeshadow, the chartreuse, it's like almost like glitter itself. So let me illuminate a little bit more. There you have it. Yeah. So yes, her chartreuse is really phenomenal. All of the shades are great, except for the black one. I'm not happy with black, but it's hard to formulate a good black usually. So, I mean, it is what it is. If you want to use a better black, I actually did cheat and reach into another palette, ABH palette, and I put a little black in there, a little better black, because this wasn't black enough. But other than that, it's easy. Hey guys, so this is future Elaina here, future editing. I realized that I forgot to press record button and I didn't film the outro. So these are my final thoughts. The palette is wonderful. I do highly recommend it. It's worth your 16 bucks. LA Girl palette is great. It's my first LA Girl palette and I highly recommend it. The beautiful mattes are blended well and the metallics are just outstanding. Very metallic, almost like glitter. Highly recommend. Beautiful. So these are my final thoughts. If you guys like this video, please give it thumbs up. Do comment below. Let me know if you got this palette or how do you like your LA Girl palettes. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live every Monday. Huge thank you to my Patreon group. Thank you guys so much. You're wonderful. If you guys are interested in my Patreon group, the link is also down in the description box. So follow me Instagram, Twitter. The links are below. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!